Then, for these students, we started Bedini Navajivan Matriculation School in 2006 with the idea of liberation through wisdom. Although we established with the aim of the students from the Anthony's home, it was spread and we incorporated the students around this area. When we felt that we don't have enough teachers, Bedini Navajivan province thought of, why can't we have a college to train our teachers? With that idea, in 2008, Bedini Navajivan College of Education has been established with the idea or theme of supporting teaching excellence. But in 2010, you all know that we have this uniform syllabus. Prior to 1 year, we established Bedini Navajivan CBSE school in 2009, which the idea of wisdom that liberates. This was the vision that we have when we started our institutions at Vengood. This year, the academic year started on 31st May for the schools, both CBSE and metric schools. But for the college, we have started July 4th and 11th, respectively for first years and second years. For the school, the main focus for this academic year was, first, the primary emphasis should be on the character formation of our students, then a disciplined life, a self-disciplined life for them and for us, and third, an integral development of the students. Then along with that, we had another ambitious desire that a person-centered education, considering students as a person, not simply a kid, they are also a person. With this aim, in addition, we also had another aim of making students independent. They must stand in their own legs. For this, we wanted to have creating a challenging environment to face the critical situations of life among students. This was the focus we had when we started this academic year. For this, to achieve this, we have this common daily assembly. It is very unique for Bedini. We have daily virtue education class, daily class. 20 minutes have been allotted for value education every day. We have the Council of Ministers and Students' Parliament. Every period we have the system of taking attendance in every period. We have primary emphasis every period for character formation. We have allotted 0 hours both in the morning and evening. This will be handled by the class teachers, and compulsory participation. All the students who are registered at Bedini should be participated in extracurricular activities to avoid there is rich and poor. We had this much of training this year for our teachers, because when teachers are flourishing, students also will flourish with us. So with that motive, we have training in communicative English, grammar phonetics, interactive class, child psychology, technology and education, classroom management, teaching mathematics effectively, teaching practical science, challenges of learning social, Montessori training. We also conducted a workshop on education and exam system at Bedini is how it is, whether it is dangerous or effective. And we had a very good discussions, and which has been communicated to the parents during the parents meeting. This year we had the infrastructure development, CCTV cameras for all the schools, smart boards for all the classrooms, technological updations has been made, teachers evaluation was done by the accreditation team, Cloud Campus online application has been introduced, Wi-Fi connection to the campus for all the students and teachers is made available, ICT Academy is very active along with the computer course. Then, my take about my students. They are very courageous. They avoid middlemen and mediation. They are always try to be straight and approach teachers or principal in a very direct way. They have no stage fear. They are very open. They are very good. They have, most of the students of mine have the organizational skills. And they maintain very good rapport with the teachers, staff, and all the fathers here. I must appreciate my students. But as I appreciate them, they are also without challenges. They also have some limitations. We need to create little more sense of urgency in learning and teaching. Teaching from our side, learning from the student side. We need to achieve better marks. Although our students are passing out, we are not getting the mark that we expect. We need to get better marks in the 12th standard. We are working on that, and our students are very serious on that now. We also need a sense of responsibility and respect for all, including the environment. We have to create a little emphasis on this. We must make little more seriousness on students about their studies. These are the challenges that I am putting forward to our students. I must acknowledge all the team who are working together here. I must thank Father Abraham, Father Solomon, Brother Varghese Pradeep, our Bursar, and Dr. Bernard, the principal of our college. All these people who are always in one mood and one thought. We are all together, and most of our fathers, they are all working 24/7. Around the clock, they are always out and in, only with the idea and thought of Bethany and Bethany institutions. I must also acknowledge my teaching staff, office staff, supporting staff, parliament members, office bearers from the students, and all my former superiors of Bethany here, our former principals, correspondents, bursars, and all other members of Bethany at Vanguard. They all have contributed in their own way for what we see today here at Bethany at Vanguard. I must acknowledge the contribution of all our provincial superior, present and former, and provincial council members, especially the education counselor, and all the fathers and the cluster that is called Kanyarankulam, Vanguard, and Mukambala ashrams. All the fathers are here. They are also always the guiding principle for us to proceed with our work. I must conclude this report. That I conclude with a quote. That is from Mar Ivanius. Virtue comes from the virtuous. Nalla maram, nalla palam kodukkum. So, our good students will give the good result. Education is not the learning the facts, but training of the mind to think. We make the students to think. They will think for us and think for them. On appeal, finally, please stay back till the program ends. Don't go away in between. Let us respect the one who performs last. It is not their mistake because they are performing last. It is the way that we can do life, that one after, the 10th person can perform only the 10th time. So please stay here till the program ends. If things are going on well, we will finish as we are given the invitation at 8 o'clock. If need, I will buy 15 or 30 minutes grace. By all means, before 8:30, the program will be over. Thank you. I am presenting this report for you. Thank you. Good day.
Thank you, Father. Usually, it is believed that as one man threads up and up the hierarchy, he becomes unreachable for the common man. This God is an exception to a wonderful personality, a name which brings smile, pride, love and respect in the face of everyone from a child to an adult who knows him or is associated with him. It is my utmost pleasure and luck that we have a down-to-earth person amidst us. I invite with respect and honor our chief guest, Most Reverend Dr. Vincent Marpalas to the dais. Your Excellency, the stage is all yours.
Dear Reverend Father Matthew Tiruvali, the Provincial Superior, and dear Reverend Father Correspondent Father Christopher, and Mr. Ramachandran Nair, the DEO of Kudithurai Educational District, and my dear fathers, and special guests from the Education Department, and dear sisters, and the faculty members, teachers, and my dear students and parents. I was thinking, how did I study? How was my school days? To hear the report, it is giving more and more inspiration. How the world has changed, the society has changed. அந்த காலத்தில் நாங்கள் ஒன்றுக்கு ஒன்று இடித்து தான் படிச்சிருக்கிறோமே தவிர குன்பு படித்ததே கிடையாது. இங்கே வரும்போதே பிள்ளைங்க குன்பு காட்டி தான் எங்களை வரவேற்றாங்க. அந்த காலத்தில் ஒரு டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட் பஸ்லையே பிக்னிக் போகிறதுக்கு முடியாமல் இருந்தது. ஃப்ளைட்லேயே பிக்னிக் போகிறாங்களாம் டூர். இது என்ன ஆல் இண்டியா டூர். ஓகே, ஹவு new facilities are the students are getting very new facilities. They really enjoy the school days. I think I was not here for 1.5 years, but now the campus is totally new, and it is a very conducive atmosphere. It gives a very conducive atmosphere for school, and also the even teachers are here. So even B.Ed college is very near. These are all the components of real education. So I appreciate, I congratulate Father Christopher. Actually, he did his doctorate in Louvain. His theme, I went through his theme also. That is also very helpful for the students and school system. He is giving more and more importance to the virtues. And he has accept lot of character formation also. So I appreciate, and all the priests are very admirable to know that many fathers working in a school. That itself is a grace for the students. And so I am happy and wholeheartedly appreciate. Let us be all together give a good clap for our fathers and this Bethany congregation. இந்த பிள்ளைகளுடைய உள்ளங்களில் மனதில் நல்ல வேல்யூஸை நீங்கள் பதிச்சு வைங்க. நல்ல மனசாட்சியை மையப்படுத்திய ஒரு தார்மீக வாழ்வை கொடுங்க. இந்த எலக்ட்ரானிக் திங்ஸை நீங்கள் பிள்ளைகளுக்கு ரொம்ப கவனமாக பயன்படுத்துவதற்கு பயிற்சி கொடுங்க. ஏன்னா அவங்க இன்றைக்கி இன்டர்நெட்டில் எல்லாம் நல்லது இருக்குது. ஃபாதர் வாசித்தாங்க வைஃபை கேம்பஸ் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க. இதெல்லாம் நல்லது தான். கட்டுப்பாடோடு நம்ம அது பயன்படுத்தலைன்னா இந்த பிள்ளைகளை இன்னொரு கனவு உலகத்திற்கு கொண்டு போய் இவர்களுடைய வாழ்க்கையில் தெளிவில்லாதவர்களாக, அறிவு தெளிவு இல்லாதவர்களாக மாற்றும். உங்கள் பிள்ளைகள் இந்த பள்ளிக்கூடத்திலிருந்து வரும்போது இவர்கள் ஞானமுள்ள பிள்ளைகளாக வாழணும். அறிவு மட்டுமல்ல, அறிவு தெளிவுள்ள பிள்ளைகளாக, வாழ்க்கையே வாழ்வதற்கு திறன் படைத்தவர்களாக வெளிவர வேண்டும், நன்மை செய்கிறவர்களாக வெளிவர வேண்டும். அதற்கு இந்த பள்ளிக்கூடம் உங்களுக்கு உதவட்டும். இந்த பள்ளிக்கூடத்தினுடைய எல்லா சிறப்புகளையும் நாம் இங்கே கண்டுகொண்டோம், கேட்டுக்கொண்டோம். ஒரு முறை கூட இந்த பள்ளிக்கூடத்தில் பணியாற்றுகின்ற ஒவ்வொரு ஆசிரியர்களையும், ஒத்துழைக்கின்ற கல்வித்துறையையும், அதுபோல் இன்றைக்கு இந்த நிகழ்வுக்கு வந்திருக்கிற அனைவரையும், அதுபோல் பெதனி கான்கிரிகேஷனையும் நான் மனதார பாராட்டி இந்த தினத்தினுடைய எல்லா சிறப்பு வாழ்த்துக்களையும் உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் கூறி என்னை இங்கு அழைத்தமைக்கு நன்றியும் கூறி நிறைவு செய்கின்றேன். நன்றி.
Thank you, Your Excellency.
I request the principal of Badrinath B.Ed College, Dr. Bernard Tusky, to please extend the vote of thanks to Your Excellency.
Good evening to all. As our bishop has to go now, so I would like to express our thanks to Bishop first. Our guest of honor, Most Reverend Dr. Vincent Mar Paulos, Bishop of Marthanam Diocese, for having consented to be present with us to deliver chief guest address in this wonderful occasion. We are very honored for gracing this occasion with your presence and blessings, and the words of wisdom radiated a source of energy within all of us. We hope that your advice will definitely help us to establish quality in education in all our educational institutions. On behalf of our management, all the staff of Badini Navajivan Educational Institutions, and my own behalf, I extend my thanks to him. Now, I would like to invite our correspondent, Reverend Father Dr. John Christopher OAC, to honor our chief guest with a memento. Thank you, Father.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you, Father, and thank you, Sir. Bethany Congregation started its journey 100 years back in 1919 with a small hut made by our founder, Mar Ivanius OIC. We welcome all of you to relish and cherish with us in this journey of 100 years of Bethany through this documentary. As a token of love and appreciation, we have a cake. I kindly request Provincial Superior of Bethany Navajivan Province, Very Reverend Dr. Matthew Thiruvalil OIC, Superior of Mukkambala, Reverend Father Ignatius OIC, Provincial Councillor of Badrinath Province, Reverend Father Thomas George OIC, our correspondent, Reverend Father Dr. John Christopher OIC, to please cut the cake.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you, Fathers.
Arguments, suggestions, discussions always paves way for new ideas and decisions.
We are proud to present the little marvels of Bethany with a hot and thoughtful debate.
The most powerful weapon which you can use to do in the world is education. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Education is the process of facilitating learning or acquisition of knowledge, skills, values, beliefs, and habits. Educational methods include storytelling, discussion, teaching, training, and director research. Education is not just about going to school and getting a degree. It's about widening one knowledge and observing the truth about life. Education in India is provided as a public sector as well as a private sector with control and funding coming from three levels: central, state and local, under various articles of the Indian Constitution. Free and compulsory education is provided as a fundamental right children between of ages 6 to 14. From this, we come to know our Indian education system. Here our team members are going to talk whether our Indian education system is innovative or destructive. The participants who are on my right hand side is here to speak about the education system in India is innovative, and the participants who are on my left hand side is here to speak about the education system in India is destructive. Now we can hear education system in India is innovative from Brnoshan. Good evening to you all. I take it as a pride to stand here today to express my views supporting Indian education system is innovative. As Sajjad said, Indian education system has changed the world. First of all, Indian education is great because it teaches kids about how they should get, speak and doing work fast. Also, in Indian schools are determined to make sure that the kids get the concept. Also, in Indian private schools, there are uniform, straight dress code, so students know how to dress appropriately. Let me conclude by saying that education system in India is innovative. Thank you everyone for lending me a hearing ear. Well said, Shani. It's quite true. Our Indian schools are determined to make sure that the kids get the concept. Let us hear what our opponent Franisha has to say. She seems to be quite eager to express herself. Beautiful evening to you all. It was indeed pleasure to hear from Shani the concept of education at fingertips. Now I am going to speak about education system in India is destructive. The Indian education system is based on profanities. In America, learning was fun and creative. Teachers were like family and happy. In India, it was the complete opposite. Not once did the teacher teach the students the kindness. All they cared about was getting the salary. All students did was memorize the words and put it on the test. Not once trying to understand the concept of behind the words. In America, they taught so well that you did not have to go to coaching and tuition. But in India, you have to go to coaching for right after for school for 5 hours. Complete endless knowledge rather stuff that actually matters. From this, we can know it is destructive. Thank you for giving me time to express my views here. As he said, Indian students are memorizing everything from the textbook and write it for the exam. But in America, they are non-memorized what the teacher teaches. Now we have Cherishna to support Rinoshan.
A warm good evening to you all. It's giving me immense pleasure to speak support of Reno's point. I'm going to throw some points how education system in India is innovative. India produces few most intelligent persons. I know it is tricks and compulsory for primary education, but the main point is all to get some basic knowledge to live. They can get all the basics to build own knowledge. People who have blamed Indian education system ever been followed the system as it meant to. Once the Hitler said, if you hate the rule, follow the rule, go to the top and change the rule. But the person who go to the top by following Indian education system never tried to change it. The reason behind it was it doesn't have too much to change. The pattern is so awesome. I only think we can change is improving the content. Thus, education system in India is innovative. Finally, I thank for all giving this opportunity to speak few words in a favor of education system.
Spoke well, dear Cherishna. Cherishna has mentioned the golden rule set by Hitler. Let us proceed to hear what our other participants has to share with us. Now we have Akshaya to oppose Cherishna's argument.
Good evening everyone. I would like to start my opinion on my topic Indian education only list emphasis on muggling up the subject.
Instead of actually learning it, students just muck up the subject and do not know anything. In the education system, a lot of reform. Students should not muck, but instead write the answer on their own. Understand, the subject is more important than muggling up. The main concept of students in India is to get a thought. The schools with good grades, they memorize everything and just omit it in the exam hall. They do not even bother to understand the concept that they learn. They forgot what they did previous year. If it is going continue, there would be lack of good employees who are also technically sound. Something should be done in this regard. The youths of India have more potentials, and the potential should be given important. So, education system in India is destroyed. Thank you. What Akshay said is true. When we catch a glimpse of potential, when the person is born. Now we can hear what Shukitsa say about the education system in India is innovative.
Good evening to you all. Let me speak about education system in India is innovative. Our country India consists of highly educated people and also called the education system in India is improving a lot. We cannot just say that the education system in India is bad and needs improvement. It will see more caps. The government has inculcated many extracurricular activities in schools in order to make a child's mind more creative and creative. So if a child not interested in studies, he or she could participate in activities apart from studies like singing, dancing, painting, etc. Let me conclude by saying that education system has given good opportunity to all the students, so it is innovative. Thank you for learning we are hearing here.